very kind.
It's all for you. I'm not hungry. Go ahead. You eat like a bird.
You'd know, of course.
No, not really. Anyway, I hear the expression "eats like a bird." It's really a falsity. Because birds really eat a tremendous lot. But I don't really know anything about birds. My hobby is stuffing things. You know, taxidermy. And I guess I'd just rather stuff birds because I hate the look of beasts when they're stuffed. You know, foxes and chimps. Some people even stuff dogs and cats, but, oh, I can't do that. I think only birds look well stuffed because, well, because they're kind of passive to begin with.
It's a strange hobby. Curious.
Ah.